everybody, it's AJ, and here we go. I'm in handcuffs. This will be my entry for Monkey Lockpicks 300 sub giveaway, and we had to, for this challenge, to pick a lock while in handcuffs, and then pick a lock, pick yourself out of the handcuffs, at least one side. So, I have never ever picked a lock in handcuffs. This will be my first attempt, and it is not looking promising right now. It's a little bit more difficult than it looked, being that much restrained. Huh. Okay. I thought it would be a little bit easier, but it's so restrained. Can't do it. Feeling is out the door here. This is fun. Can't really see what I'm doing, but either can I. Wow, this is a little more difficult than I expected. Oversetting everything, I know it. I have to rethink this. Oh. Well, I think I'm oversetting it. There. Okay, it is open. It's definitely open. Yeah, awesome. It has a commando padlock. I can't remember the number. Maybe it's on the bottom. But it is packed full of security pins. It's got spools in it. And over here is the key for the commando padlock. There's the key for that. Now, pick yourself out of these things while being handcuffs is going to be something too. And again, that was the first time I ever picked a lock while in handcuffs. Wow, this is really tough, man. Especially trying to do this on camera. I can do this not on camera, but my hands are in a completely different position. Okay. Let's see here. There. And we're out. Sweet. That is beautiful. And that was with a bent up bobby pin. And as far as the other side, well, I don't know. I'm not going to try to pick that today. But the pin in the center is broken. So, there's that. And we're going to use the key. Just for shits and giggles. Hell, the key doesn't even work. That's not good. There it goes. Okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, everybody. That was my entry for Monkey Lockpicks 300 sub giveaway. Everybody, enjoy, man. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. I never did that before. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful, and keep on picking.